little bang thing hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls them pretty with the contour. Man I say.
Alright, so what's up guys? Do the intro, mommy.
Hi guys. Welcome back.
Yep. To another episode. Joke. Today we're going to be doing a video with yours truly. As someone say? Yours truly?
More.
Anyways, we're gonna do one video with mommy. So it's called asking the questions that you're too afraid of to ask your mom. Ready?
I'm not sure I want to do this.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
Alright, first question. How many boyfriends have you ever had?
Boyfriends?
Man, boyfriend, BF.
You're talking husband too?
How much husband ever have?
One, but I mean.
But husband can be a boyfriend.
Okay, so.
Husband and husband.
4.
No, 4? 4 boyfriend in the entire life?
Yes.
Alright, are you already 85?
Something alright. Something alright, yeah.
Wow. In what position was I made?
She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
It was at this moment that he knew. Duh.
Missionary.
Swing, foot back, shoulder drop, swap back, shot, this at lap, skin up.
When was your first time?
Seriously? When I was 19.
When I'm 19, mommy? And it's when I'm 19?
Yep.
At what age did you get your first boyfriend?
I had a boyfriend when I was high school, about grade 11. What age was that? 17, 16-ish.
At what age did you get your first child? When I'm 20 something though. When I'm 20.
5.
What is your body count?
My body count? What is that? I don't know. What is that?
Why you always lying? Oh my God.
Have you ever smoked?
Yes.
Where you smoke?
Macharan. Long time. When I
Me
was
not
a
who
child.
influence you. Me not who influence
When I
you.
was a child, I did that.
Me not who influence her. Have you ever done drugs?
No.
So yeah, do not know they like I think about it.
I think because I want to be sure.
Boy, if you don't.
Have you ever been a yamid?
Yummy? Nope.
Yummy yum.
Goody is no yummy. No. I am not a yummy.
Never been?
Never been.
Big stinking yummy.
Have you ever had sex with your kids in the house?
Yes. That's natural.
Alright, I'm gonna do. Ew. Do you think that I am a virgin?
I know you're not.
Yesterday.
I know you're not.
How you know that? How you know that?
Because you told me.
Tell me the story of your hardest breakup.
My hardest breakup? I don't have a breakup. I just move on.
Period.
Yeah. I never had a breakup where I sit and cry and nope. It's not working. I take my time. I look into things and I pull myself away slowly. Yep.
Them gal are wicked, them wicked.
Have you ever sneaked into your boyfriend's house?
Nope.
Have you ever had to sneak out of the house?
No. Me, a goodie. Me?
Like I said,
sneak.
no sneak.
No sneak.
No sneaking.
Me,
Touch
it's
it.
number one.
Watch no sneaking.
Girl walk out from your body good.
Was I an accident?
Nope.
Lord
You were well
mercy.
planned for. No.
Oh my God! Wow!
Did you ever have a best friend?
Nope.
Right. And the last and final question, I need to be entirely honest with that one now.
Okay.
Why don't moms like to admit when they're wrong?
If I'm wrong, I admit it.
Mommy.
Rosh, I admit when I'm wrong. Stop it.
Sometimes, most
admit
times,
when I'm wrong.
most times, genuinely I admit when I'm wrong.
Okay. So,
But sometimes you know say you're wrong and you just like,
no.
Mommy.
If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
okay,
Yes.
alright. So people, thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.
Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell me if you don't want to make our page. Full time now. I don't know, keep repping Rosh Wavy. Brian Rosh Wavy.
Rush Wavy. Yeah. Whoa, pretty little painting hotter than a hot tool. Me I say you hot like them, I say you hot too. Yeah, me see the curls them pretty with the contour, man I say.